Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sharbiza binti Musa, and this is my presentation assignment 1 for subject Automotive Component Manufacturing. For this assignment, I have chosen an automotive component, which is a spur gear, to do an analysis. So the analysis that has been conducted is based on static analysis, which is to check the displacement, stress and strain on the product. So this is how I do my analysis. First, I go with simulation and then start a new study and check the static analysis and apply the material. Material I use in this spur gear manufacturing is cast alloy steel. And then we fix geometry and choose the fitting area, which is to fix the part, and then we apply the external load, insert the value pressure and choose the plane. So after we choose the plane, we select the direction and insert the force value. I use 497 Newton value to apply on this as a force. And then I run this study and create a mesh and start the analysis. So this is a process where my part was meshed completely, and then this is the result for the analysis. As we can see, the color indicates the value for every surface on the analysis, and we will go through the result through the report. So here is the report for simulation of my spur gear part, and here is the detail about the solid body, the mass, the volume, density and weight. So basically that was the solid body information, and material I use in this is cast alloy steel. And this is my mesh information. So this is the mesh part, and here is the result for stress. So there's a minimum and maximum value for the stress, and we can see the location and how it's applied for every surface of the part. And this is the displacement result, and the minimum and maximum value is stated as here. The color indicate the value of the surface analysis, and this is the strain analysis, whereas the minimum value is 4.27 and the maximum value is 3.6. So basically this part is good to manufacture, and the information was clear about the analysis, and that's all from me. Thank you.